Guys, help me find the drone.
It's right over there.
It's doing a forced landing. I can't bring it back home. I think it's way too low.
Oh, you're going away from us.
Oh, where? Which way?
That way. You're going that way.
Let's back things up. A few days ago, we saw this tweet.
And we got FOMO, mama.
So we decided to photograph this thing and do it right.
Since the path of totality goes through Indianapolis, we called up 2 of our favorite boomers.
Then we called up Squarespace and asked them to sponsor this video. Both of them said yes.
We will see you tomorrow.
All right.
That left us with 3 things on our to-do list.
1, get the gear we need.
That means a solar filter for the camera and safety goggles for us.
They're not safety goggles.
You take your chances and I'll take mine.
2, we had to beat traffic down to Indianapolis.
Towns along the eclipse path are bracing for millions of tourists from around the world.
3, we had to photograph this thing without losing our eyes.
You don't lose your eyes. They explode.
Right away, a big fat wrench plummeted into our plans.
Hello.
Hi there. You don't by chance have any more solar filters, do you?
Sure don't. If you find one, let me know. There's only about 200 of us left in the country, so that's why everybody keeps buying Amazon and they wait for the last minute to buy from us.
Yeah, we don't do Amazon, don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Okay, thanks. Yep.
Pro, how can I direct your call?
Yeah, wondering what kind of filters you guys had in stock.
Well, we don't have the solar filters if
Yeah.
that's what you're looking for.
Yeah, okay. Do you guys have those sheets that you put in front of the lens?
No, we're out of those too.
Yeah.
On to the next.
Where we parked didn't have any, so we're going to this camera store. Hopefully they have, we still need the lens filter, so we're gonna try to get the lens filter at this camera store. Maybe glasses, we'll see.
We did get our safety goggles,
Or whatever.
and we did overpay for them by about $21. They just sold their last pair.
Getting our paws on a solar filter seemed near impossible. Without a solar filter, we decided to only photograph totality. That way, no filter is needed.
And since our longest lens is a 135, we decided to borrow Daniel's dad's 400mm with a 2x teleconverter setup.
It's Nikon equipment, so it's better than you're used to. Don't forget to bring the glasses, the hat, and
My Nikon vest. I'll bring my Nikon vest.
that's it.
We left the torrential downpour of Chicago for the torrential downpour in Indiana.
Look, I wish we could hit you with the drama on this part, but it only took an extra 45 minutes to get to Indy. And we saw a rainbow.
Made it. Day of the eclipse. After a pleasant morning walk, something horrible happened.
Error. Does live view not work with this?
When we tested out the gear, the Nikon D750 was acting foolish.
Constant error message, unable to take photos.
Canon would never give me an error. Okay, so the mirror was getting stuck every time I was trying to release the shutter or go into live view. Didn't think I was gonna be able to use this Nikon D750, but I read something online where someone's having issues with the battery. If it drops below a certain percentage, it has similar issues. So I switched batteries. That seemed to solve the issue. So hopefully now we are good to go. Okay, with that malarkey sorted, we needed a clear view of the sky. Luckily, I know a guy with a killer view, and he happens to be my godfather, and legally cannot refuse any offer I make.
We got set up on a deck with 4 of our favorite boomers, 2 of our favorite dogs, and charcuterie of eclipse snacks.
While my mom was doing science experiments, I got the drone in the air to capture a time lapse.
If this runs out of battery, it'll come back home.
Then it was time.
Wow.
Okay,
So
go.
wild. Good?
There was the diamond.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, there. Go, go, go. Yeah. That's sick.
Now we can look at the glass.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That is amazing.
Honestly, we got some pretty decent shots and enjoyed watching this phenomenon. The sky went dark, the wildlife went quiet. It was one of the coolest things we've ever seen, sky category.
And then we heard a beep.
Several beeps.
Where's the drone, guys? Help me find the drone.
It's like sunrise.
Right over there. Right over there.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
It's doing a forced landing.
Still straight up there.
I can't, it's landing. I can't bring it back home. I think it's on the horizon. I think it's way too low. Roger, where's this?
Oh, you're going away from us.
Oh, where? Which way?
That way. You're going that way.
Fly with caution. Fly with caution.
I think he landed on Cook.
Okay, should we go get it?
Oh, it was past these chairs. Don't mind us. There it is.
Damn! Wait, let me get a picture. Or you get a picture.
I got video. There she is.
Right by the lighthouse. It saw the lighthouse.
Good boy.
How lucky you are.
That's so close to the water. It was, oh man.
Holy.
We celebrated a successful drone recovery and freaked out about whether or not we put our glasses on soon enough. We'll let you know.
Now here's a friggin' photo.
And here's a freaking ad.
In case you're new around here, you might not know that we're longtime customers of Squarespace. It's our favorite all-in-one website platform for photographers to stand out and succeed online. Now it's never been easier to get started. You can start a completely personalized website with Squarespace Blueprint, a guided design system to help you build your online presence from the ground up. Easily launch your website and get discovered fast with integrated and optimized SEO tools, so you'll show up more often to more people and jump the way you want. And grow the way you want. Not only that, now you can make checkout seamless for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Accept credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and in eligible countries, you can offer customers the option to buy now and pay later with Afterpay and ClearPay. How do you think I got this trampoline? There's an unrivaled suite of built-in visual design effects where you can engage all of your website visitors. Doesn't matter if photography sucks, these effects are so tight that they won't even be looking at it. When you're ready to spring into action, go to squarespace.com/mangostreet to get 10% off of your new website and domain. Jump in Jehoshaphat, that's a good deal.
So as soon as we get the diamond ring effect, I can take the lens cap off. Good.
Nice try, Gabo. That was good. Good anticipation. But you failed on the execution.